Once upon a time, there was a girl named Reign-Beau who liked to chase leprechauns and eat their gold. Is there any gold left? Check it. Oh my gosh, she ate it all. Sadly though, because of this, she was put on America's Most Wanted list. Can you show them that you're on the list? Oh no! How can we ever get past this? I think we should go to the Wizard of Pawz, the Great Rufus. He can help us. We need to climb every mountain. Good girl. Sail every sea. Little more. Freeze. Go back in time. Beep. Let's go. Beep, beep, beep. Good job. Follow every rainbow. Beep. Until we find our dream. Oh my. We're not there. I thought we'd be there. Look. Do you see it? It's a tornado. Oh no. Step up. Ray. Ready. Nito. Good girl. We are gonna go on this tornado ride. Maybe it'll take us there. I heard it to Dorothy and Toto. Look, look. Yay! Good girl. Uh-oh, it's spinning faster. Go the other way. Go the other way. Little more. Pivots. Pivots. Oh, yes. Whew. That was a rough ride. I don't know. It still looks really scary out here. I see a safe spot. Let's jump on. Oh my gosh. This is a bumpy ride. It's still very windy. I hope we can survive. Freeze. I think we might make it if we go under the bridge. Come on, Ray. We're gonna go under the bridge. Through. Pause on. Pause on. Ray, pause on. Oh goodness. I think I see the Great Rufus. I think we found him. Come on over here, left. Go through again. Up top and down. Nice job. Let's move this bridge out of the way. I think we've made it to where we need to be. Reign-Beau, let's ask the Great Rufus what to do. Oh, Great Rufus, we need your help. How can we solve this problem?
You need the heart, the courage, and the brain to go on.
We need the heart, like a beating drum. Let's try the drum. That might help us. Oh, Ray, come, play the drum, the beat of your heart. Whoopsie, Mommy dropped it. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, step off. Step off, love. I need that. Thank you. That was good beating the drum. What else did he say we needed? We need the courage. The roar of a lion. Huh. Can you do that? Can you say, woof, 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 woof? One more time. Woof, woof. Nice job. I love that. Hold on. That was amazing. Good for you. That was really scary for me. You had so much courage. Thank you for that great job. The other one sounded a little tricky. Brains. I know. We can down, stay, and think some more. Did it work? Are we home? Was that all we needed to do? Let's see if it's safe to go home. We'll check the mail. I bet the newspaper is in there. Has your name been cleared? Let's see. Get the mail, please. This side, open. Open. Get the mail. Whoops, it fell through. Get the mail. Ray, get the mail. Thank you. It says, oh, crazy ride. Thanks for watching our story.